Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe. I hope that you'll consider going ahead and hitting that subscribe button so that you can be updated every time I share something new and fun. But today, welcoming 2021 with a new planner. I'm so excited to get this planner started. This is the Plum Paper Planner, and it is customized with my name and the cover that I selected. And I did do an unboxing of this a few months ago when I received it, but now that I'm actually able to use it, I wanted to just show you guys a little bit of the layout and how I'm using it and the stickers that I have and all of the fun things that Plum Paper has to offer. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you my January layout and how I am using this planner, because planners are very important to me. I don't think I would get anything done if I didn't write it down in my planner every day. So really, really important to start off the new year with a fresh new planner and organizing my thoughts and having itineraries and to-do lists and all of the things that help keep me on track. So I hope that you guys enjoy seeing how I set up my Plum Paper Planner for 2021. Okay, so here is the cover, and I selected the cover that says "Stay in Your Magic" because being a Disney travel agent, I just like things to be magical. And then I do have this cover page to protect it, like a page protector. That was an add-on. And then at the beginning, you have kind of all of the months at a glance for 2021. And then what I've decided to do was for every single month, I am going to be keeping track of the YouTube content. So all of my ideas for videos are going in those sections. And then there's a whole nother area here where you can also kind of categorize different things. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use that for yet. And then going into January, so there's the J for January. And what I am doing is the beginning of each month has goals. So I'm doing a goal that has to do with like exercise, and then a goal that has to do with household tasks that I really want to focus on. And then my one little word, which is like my word of the year, my New Year's resolution is grow. So my goal number 3 is always going to be focusing on that word. And every month I will have something in this circle pertaining to growth. And then I have birthdays and events, and then things to remember. And then over here, this is just how I am coordinating all of my YouTube videos. So that's just how I'm keeping track of that. And then I have my whole month at a glance here. I've been using pencil a lot because it's so much easier to erase things and rewrite them rather than scratching things off that I've written in pen or marker. So I've been finding myself using a lot of pencil in this planner. And then here is my entire week layout. I'm using, again, a lot of pens and pencils rather than fancy markers, which is what I previously used in my Erin Condren planner. So this is just my best way of laying everything out. So the way that I have my planner personalized is I have this block here for YouTube information. So these are the videos that I need to focus on for this week. And then over here I have my Mickey World Travel for the Disney travel agency that I work for. So those are things I need to focus on this week for the travel agency. And then over here there's a section for exercise, and I have all of the different types of exercise that I could possibly do, and then I check mark the days that I have completed it. Right now it's a holiday week, so like it's not really that good. Don't look too hard at that. And then I also have it separated for morning, afternoon, and then the bottom portion is the evening and or to-do list. So over here you can see I have a big list of to-dos for the day, but then I will have any scheduled events at the bottom. Like you can see here, I had book club at 4 o'clock, and I will soon have like maybe Madison's dance classes, sports, things like that when things start to happen again in the world. We'll see. And then down here, I also personalized this section for dinner. So this is when I do my meal planning. I write everything in the square down here. And the only thing I'm not crazy about is Saturday and Sunday are very short. So it's an entire column is both Saturday and Sunday. Sometimes those days are busy for me, so that's a little bit annoying, but other than that, I think everything is good. So this is like a week completely done up. And then here is what it looks like completely blank, just to give you guys a comparison. And then what I will do is flip to the back of the book because I have something really fun that I added on, and that is this memories section. And this is a place where you can monthly print out some pictures of what happened that month, and you can put it in the appropriate page. So here is January, and these stickers are actually frames, so when you peel it off, you can put the picture down and put the sticker frame over it, and that will hold the picture in place, which is cool. And then you also have some embellishments like this, the little snow globe that says January and it says New Year on it, so really cute. So I'll show you what each and every month looks like if you wanted to include this add-on, because I think it's super fun. So here is February and March. April, we have May, which is really pretty. June, my birth month, really pretty pink. And again, these little frames actually hold your pictures in place, which is super cool. And then we have July, August, September. I may have showed you guys these when I did the unboxing, but I think I was super quick about it. So here's just like a better, more detailed look if you wanted to see all of the stickers that coincide with the months of memories. So November, and then finally December, which I think is so cute, the most wonderful time of the year. And then there is also this sticker sheet that says Little Moments, Big Memories, and it has all of these little cute stickers. So each month actually gets 2 pages. So for instance, this is January, so you have this page and this page. And then February is this page and this page. March, this and this. So you do have plenty of space to share photographs and little notes and things like that. And then at the very end, there is this page that says life is a collection of moments, this year in 3 words, and then this whole area where you can journal maybe your thoughts on the year. So I just think that's really, really cute. And then at the very back of the book, you have an area for contacts, passwords, holidays, all of the typical things. You have 2022 at a glance, and then you have this little folder in the back, which is where I keep some extra stickers and things. And that is everything that is in my 2021 planner. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed taking a look at my Plum Paper Planner. It was lots of fun to share it with you guys. I hope that maybe it helped you in planning out for the new year. Everything that you need to do, organizing your thoughts, organizing all of your tasks, household things and work things and kid things and just all of the stuff. So I definitely think that having some type of a planner is super helpful, and it's always lots of fun when you have a new one to start off the new year. So I will have linked below my email address. So if you guys want a promo code for the Plum Paper Planner, they do it in a weird and unique way. I don't have a referral link that I can send to you guys, but if you email me, I can have Plum Paper send you a promo code. It's just the way that they do it. But if you go to their site and you give them your email address for any reason, I won't be able to do that for you. So just keep that in mind. If you want some type of a promo, just shoot me an email before you get started with putting together your planner, and I'll have them send you the promo code, because it's always nice to save money on a planner. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're all doing well. Please comment below and let me know what planner you're currently using and has been working for you. And I would love it if you would give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you really soon. Take care. Bye.